little bit different tonight. It's not Tracy's kitchen, but it's Mick's kitchen. So we thought that we would do something a little bit different for dinner tonight, and that is Mongolian lamb. Mongolian lamb is very, very easy to cook. And as you can see over here, we have the various ingredients. Number one being 500 grams of lamb, 2 carrots, all I peel them rather than shred them or cut them or anything like that. We have cabbage, which is wombok, the capsicum, both red and green. If I could have got a yellow, we would have got a yellow as well and put that in, all done in strips. Tomato, also done in slices. The bean shoots, or mung beans as they're also called. And with our pan tonight we'll be using sesame oil. We cheat with the Mongolian lamb sauce because honestly it's just the best. And for a little bit of flavouring we also add sweet chilli sauce and some chilli, hot chilli. So we start with, I've already got a preheated pan, and we've got our sesame oil, and we throw that in here as we normally do, and we get our lamb and we simply throw it in. We get the meat in there, we just basically start to brown the meat, and I tend to stick with it. I don't leave it. I tend to actually just get the meat all nice and brown on all sides. And once we've done that, then we can move on to the actual vegetables. We start off with the capsicum and the tomato, and we bring that over to the pan. Now, for those that don't particularly like capsicums or tomato or anything like that, the idea is to put vegetables in. It doesn't matter how many or what vegetables they are, just put lots and lots of vegetables. And we throw in the carrot as well. Put all that in. And last but not least, we have the bean shoots. So we spread those around as well. And we get all that. So once our vegetables are in, we then get our famous Mongolian sauce, and we try and open that. If you've got wet hands, use a tea towel. And we throw it all over the actual meal. And then we get a little bit of water, if you want to follow me over here. A little bit of water in there. Shake it up. And throw it in. And then don't forget to recycle your jar. And also, just as a point of fact too, before we started we did wash our hands. So I've got no hair to put up, so it doesn't really make much difference. So here we mix all the vegetables in with the meat and the sauce. And this is where the word stir fry comes in, because you just basically do a lot of stir frying. And now the difference with Mongolian as opposed to Chinese. Chinese, you'll get your vegetables when they're cooked, and they'll be nice and crispy and crunchy and everything, and they're very, very nice. But with Mongolian, they're actually what some people refer to as overcooked. But in the true Mongolian sense, if you have nice soft vegetables, they are absolutely perfect. From here, you just make sure that everything is mixed in, and once we've done that, we throw the lid on, turn the heat down just to a simmer, and then we leave that for about 5 minutes, and then we'll come back later and we'll see how we go. Okay. So we're back here again, and we're just checking now after about 5 minutes to see how it's all going. And as you can see, everything is going along quite nicely. And you can check to see how the veggies are going. Oh, that's very hot. Okay, stay there, don't go away. I'll be back in a second. And here we go. So, don't try and cut with the spoon, normal. But, okay. So right now, the capsicum is still very crunchy. So we'll put that on for another 5 minutes. And we'll come back and we'll see how we go. We're back again. Another 5 minutes is down, and we're checking the Mongolian stir-fried lamb. And you can see that's really juicing up now, and it's getting to a really good stage. You want to have the simmer just so that it's actually just bubbling. So it keeps it there, and the capsicum again, we'll just give it a check. We'll cut it with our spoon, same as what we did last time. There we go. Throw that back in. We'll try that again. And it's slowly getting there. So, we're down now probably to about our last 5 minutes. And we're going to throw in the actual cabbage now, because with the cabbage, that's pretty much about the only thing you still want to crunch to. Because really floppy cabbage is just yuck. So put that over the top. And throw in for another 5 minutes, and then we'll come back later. Well, we're back again, and this is probably the last time around. So, having a look now, everything is really good. The veggies are fairly soft, so yeah, you're probably looking at about a 15-minute simmer time all up. And it's really well done. So now we just mix it all in together. And then we just get a spoon, a little spoon, and just taste our sauce. And that's actually really nice, but we will also add in some of our dried and sweet chili sauce. And it's not a great idea to overdo it, so just a bit over the top. And add to that a little bit of chili. Now this is actually 2 pinches out of that packet that you saw before. So we run that over, and of course if you don't like chili, then probably don't recommend putting it in. But we don't mind it a bit hotter than what most people would do. So basically you season to your own taste. So we mix all that through. And we are pretty much there. So just turn this down again. Where is my... Turn that off at the top. And now, we'll just plate up. So there's no hard and fast rule about how you plate up. Some people will do this over rice. I tend to just throw it in, and that's pretty much a good amount for me, because I've got a big stomach. So, as you can see. Now for Tracy, we don't do as much. So just throw a little bit in there. And for our presentation, we have some chopsticks, and we just wipe our meals that way. Just do what the professionals do, and there you go. So there's no hard and fast recipe for this one, so I'm not going to type one out. It's basically the ingredients that you saw. You put them all together yourself, and then the main thing is you actually eat it and enjoy it. So from Tracy and myself, Mick, or the replacement Tracy, enjoy your meal.